In the context of Android, a fast response refers to the ability of an Android device or application to quickly react or respond to user input, commands, or actions. It indicates the speed and efficiency with which the system or app processes user interactions and provides immediate feedback. A fast response is crucial for creating a smooth user experience and preventing delays or lags that can make the system or app feel sluggish, unresponsive, or frustrating. It ensures that actions like tapping on buttons, swiping, scrolling, or executing commands are executed swiftly and without noticeable delays. Achieving fast response involves optimizing various aspects of the software, hardware, and user interface design. Efficient programming, hardware acceleration, minimizing resource usage, and optimizing UI rendering are some techniques used to enhance responsiveness and reduce latency in Android applications. Additionally, proper threading, buffering, and caching strategies can contribute to achieving a fast response. The only thing I want you to do is to always turn off battery saver, or that will disable all of my script and tricks. Now copy what I'm doing. I won't explain everything because those are commands. Now go to Settings, Apps, Setedit Data, and force stop the app to enable. Note that whenever your phone restarts or shuts down, you have to go to Settings apps, Setedit, and force stop it again because you don't have a rooted phone. You don't have to type the commands every time, by the way.